Hey guys, so today we are going to go to the museum. It's the second day of school. The boys have done really well. We have a team of people working with them. So we have their Bible studies and with Mr. De La Rosa, shout out to him. And then we have our assistant who is amazing and has been helpful so much with their Spanish classes every single day, as well as getting any kind of supplies that they need. And my mother-in-law who's helping me out online, making sure the boys are keeping up on their stuff, and it's been great. So I just want to put on this quick video. It's been about a couple of weeks now that we've been here, about 2 weeks, and it's starting to feel a little more like home in a way. Like it's kind of like weird because it feels like kind of surreal that we're still here. I was just talking to one of my friends last night about it, and I was just like, wow, it's so crazy. Like they're starting school over there in Texas, and we're here in Merida, and we started school through Texas, but through the public school, K-12. So it's been great with them. They've actually been very helpful, believe it or not. It's been like super amazing. Like honestly, I feel like we haven't had to have like a major adjustment, and they've been answered things. The only thing I will say is like updating contact information has been somehow the most, which you think would be the most simple, it's kind of been the most like difficult for us to get updated contact information with our emails. But honestly, I don't want to tackle that until next week, or maybe in 2 weeks now, until before we actually move on changing any kind of communication, because the last thing I want is them to have to change it and then they never get in contact with us. So I'm the calendar queen. I love calendars. I think it's like the best way to organize a hectic life at times, and even with a slow pace lifestyle that we have now, we still need to be on time with their classes and stuff like that. So each one of the boys has their own Gmail calendars, and they're linked to all the teachers that are involved with their schooling. So it's been really great. We love the house. It's been great. There's been a couple hiccups that, like things like haven't needed to get fixed. Like, so I kind of feel like that was kind of a downer. Like there's some things that needed to be fixed, but it's been good so far. I'm not the type to be like so like annoyed about things like that. Just kind of like, I'm like, oh, well, it is what it is. But we are looking at different places that we just talked to a realtor today about possibly moving in the northern part of Merida, which is newer builds and for better price. So about half the price that we're paying here, but newer builds, more modern. And then, so that she was really awesome. I'll give her, I can put her contact information when she gets it to me. Anyways, so that's what's going on with that. And then the biggest thing that I've noticed, because we rented the house mainly because we wanted a washer and dryer as well, but we haven't been able to use the dryer because it has been broken for 2 weeks now. So that's kind of interesting that hasn't been fixed. So that's kind of annoying, but at the same time, we've been able to get our laundry done for 500 pesos. That's washed, dried, and folded for 500 pesos. That's $25 US, about give or take, about, maybe 27. Give it on the day of the peso, right? And they pick it up from your house. This is including pickup and dropping off, same day. So that's about 3 loads of laundry that we had them do. And so far it's been really great, honestly. Like I kind of like, even though it's annoying that my dryer hasn't been fixed and I paid this much rent for a fully functional home, that's been a little annoying. It's a blessing in disguise, because I had to get out of my comfort zone, let someone else do my laundry. And so far it's been a great service. So I don't even know how to do laundry, to be honest. We just gave my assistant Belly my husband's work shirts so she can get them pressed and starched up for him. So that'll be done by tomorrow. It won't cost more than 200 pesos for that. It's like $10. So think about that compared to the United States. You're looking at over at least $100, or closer to $80 at this point with any kind of laundry service. So that's been pretty cool. So like I said, it's been a different adjustment just because it's someone else doing my laundry, so that's another thing. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and put another video on shortly. Just let me know what you guys want to know about Merida. And honestly, I've only been here for 2 weeks, so I don't know too much about the city. We did go to Santa Lucia Park, and that was beautiful. And I was like, wow, this is a gorgeous, area. It's in the Centro. We're in the Centro Santiago, Colonia Santiago, which is a little older, but it's also very beautiful as well. So yeah, this is about all that we've been up to, and it's gonna rain later on today, so we'll catch you guys later. Okay, bye.